Hey guys, how's it going? How to check saved music on Instagram. So first of all, I'll open the Instagram. Okay, now what you're gonna do, you're gonna just tap on your profile icon at the bottom right. Okay, and then tap on the three horizontal line or the hamburger menu at the top right corner. Tap on the saved, and you're gonna be able to look for an audio section to see all the music that you saved. That's it. You can browse through your saved music. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.